Hi guys, welcome to the second part of my summer 2022 workout series. This is the second part, and in this part I'm going to show a back and bicep workout. So without further ado, let's get started.
So the first exercise is a front lever progression of your level. For me it's the one leg front lever, which I can hold for maybe 5 seconds, a bit more. But if you can't hold it yet, you can do tuck front lever, advanced tuck, or whatever you want. So let's just get into it.
So next up, we got front lever raises. Again, you can do them in tuck, advanced tuck, or one leg front lever. But yeah, keep your arms straight all the time, and only movement you should be doing is like this. Displacing all these exercises. Otherwise, keep your body frozen, like I show here. So all the time in a tuck position, and then I just lift myself. But yeah, that's a really nice scapular exercise. But yeah, let's move on to the more familiar back exercises. So yeah, next up going to show a couple of pull-ups, chin-ups. One thing I don't see many people talk about is keeping your legs straight and not crossed legs like many people do. Because in long term it might cause a bit of imbalance in your back if you always do pull-ups or chin-ups with crossed legs. So I always advise people to keep their legs straight and not crossed. All the way down, all the way up, down, up, and same with chin-ups. And with wings, you can do this twisting. Pull-ups or chin-ups. So next up, we got the hanging shrugs. A good old dead hang. From here you just pull with your lats. And don't just like bounce yourself up down. Do controlled and slow reps. Oh yeah, like that. Works on your shoulders and that's pretty nicely. And good supportive exercise for pull-ups. Ups. So let's move on to the next one. And that's the last hanging exercise. One arm chin-up. I've done it before, but it's been quite a while. Hi guys. I was just editing the video and well, I just noticed that I couldn't even do the one arm chin up when I originally was recording this video. Yeah, that was somehow a decent, I don't know. Yeah, the form is not quite there, but yeah, as the last exercise, we got inverted push-up. So you keep your hands like this and not the typical wear one like this. I could show you the normal bicep curls, but I think there's no point in showing them. You all know how bicep curls work with regular weights. So I'll just show this inverted push-up and then we'll wrap up the video. Let's get it. there's a couple of reps of those. I think that's all the exercises I came up with. The next video, I'll actually check what it is. So yeah, next video is core. So abs, obliques, maybe lower back. So yeah, that will be next Wednesday, a week after this one. So we'll see you then. Thanks for watching and stay safe. Bye bye.